particular segment, which is Reformation. Reformation is needed. This is a great necessity for the people of God, because the present state of the church leads to the inquiry, is this a correct representation of Him who gave His life for us? Testimonies, Volume 8, page 251, this is why I said, the time has come for a thorough reformation to take place. When this reformation begins, the spirit of prayer will acquaint every believer and will banish from the church the spirit of discord and strife. And in our quest for reformation and revival, we come up with this beautiful, important, significant program of our church, which is called 777